In this video, we will discuss about the global keyword used with the variables in Python. Before going to the global keyword, just do a quick recap of what we discussed in the previous video on the scope of variables. Global and local variable can have same names. If the variables with same name are defined in different scopes, then it's allowed. For example, the variable can be defined as a global variable and at the same time as a local variable with same name. In such cases, local variable always takes precedence over the global variable. The local variable scope is limited to the function in which it is declared. Now, what if we want a variable which is defined in a local scope to act as a global variable? Means we want to change the global variable value. Any variable which is changed or created inside of a function is considered as a local variable within the function, unless it hasn't been declared as a global variable. To tell Python that we want to use the local variable as a global variable, we have to use the keyword global. This keyword global needs to be declared before the variable in the function and will be applicable throughout the program. Let's test the global keyword using a program. We will use the same program used in previous video for scope of variables. Let's add one more print statement to print the value of x. This is to test the value of x after the function is called. Once executed, first the variable x is called, which prints the value as 10. Next, the function is called, which prints the value of x as 20. When x is printed again, it prints the value as 10, which is the value of global variable. Now, if we want the local variable value to become global variable, once it is called, then we need to define the variable x first as a global variable and then assign it a value. X is first defined as a global variable and then assigned a value of 20. Once executed, first the variable x is called, which prints the value as 10. Next, the function is called, which prints the value of x as 20. When x is printed again, it prints the value as 20, which is the value of local variable defined in the function. As the local variable is now defined as global variable, so whenever it is called from that time onwards, the variable value will change, and local variable value will overwrite global variable value. This is how the global keyword can help to replace a global variable value with a local variable value having the same name.